Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 16th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So the gill again is definitely making a very overlapping, very corrective pattern. It was able to break structure, but it broke structure in a way that definitely doesn't give me confidence that it's going down. I still think my higher time frame analysis is correct, which is that this could still end up being a 1, 2, 3. It could just be like a subdivision, like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and then we just go up for a wave 3 of 3. As long as it doesn't break and hold below structure in a big way, which right now my last structure level is still right here because that's the last swing low that it made before it went up and made a new swing high. So anything that happens in between these two lines very easily could just still be a crescent to the uptrend. I definitely am still recommending longs. I definitely don't see any reason on any of the other time frames to do anything but look for longs at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.